Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now we are going to solve weekly contest 415 problems. So let's start with question number 1 first. The two sneaky numbers of Digitville. Okay, so in the town of Digitville, there was a list of numbers called nums containing integers from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, each number was supposed to appear exactly once in the list. However, two mischievous numbers sneaked in an additional time, making the list longer than usual. Okay, so as the town detective, your task is to find these two sneaky numbers. We have to return an array of size 2 containing the two numbers in any order. So please can return to Digitville. Okay, so see this nums array. So here if my num size is 4, okay, so then I am expecting numbers like this 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, but here you see that there are two numbers which are appearing twice. 0 is appearing twice and 1 is appearing twice, right? And what we need every number to appear exactly once in the list. Okay, so we don't need these duplicates, right? So we just need to return the output with duplicate numbers. Okay, so we have to return an array of size 2 containing the two numbers in any order, right? So easy. So there are multiple ways to do this. You can just count the frequency of all the numbers, and then the numbers with frequency greater than 1, you can just simply turn that. Okay, but I have solved this problem using hash set. So you can simply calculate the length of nums array, then create one set and take one k value. Okay, and my result is going to be of size 2, right? We need the array of size 2 only, right? And then after that I am iterating over all the elements in my nums array one by one, and I'm checking if my set already contains that number. Okay, if it doesn't contain, then I'm adding that number in my set. But if my set already contains that number, then I am adding that number in my result array. Okay, in this new array, and then I am incrementing the key. Okay, and in the end I'm just simply going to return result. Okay, so this submission is accepted. So I hope that you guys are able to understand question number 1 of weekly contest 415. Please like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe my YouTube channel for next questions. Thank you.